Hello students, welcome back. Now we will discuss our last exercise 13.8. In this exercise, we will take up the volume of the spheres and hemispheres. So now coming with the question number 1. We need to find out the volume of the sphere whose radius is already given. So taking the first part, volume of sphere. This is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this will be 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, now r is already given to us, this is 7. So this is 7 into 7 into 7. 7 cancelled. So on simplification, this will be now 1437 into 1 by 3 centimeter cube. So this is in the centimeter, so centimeter cube. Similarly, coming to the second one, again this volume of a sphere, this is given as 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So this is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r. R is given as 0.63 meters. So this will be again 0.63 into 0.63 meters. So this can be solved. 3 1 ja 3, 2 1 and 7 1 ja, so this will be 0.3. Now we can multiply and calculate it. So this will be 1.0478 meter cube. So now coming to question number 2. Find the amount of the water displaced by the solid spherical wall of the diameter. So diameter is already given. So for the first part, radius is equals to diameter by 2. So this is 28. 28 by 2 means 14 centimeters. So we need to find out the volume of water. So volume of water will be equals to the volume of the sphere. So this is the 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. R is already given to us. This is 14. So this is 14 into 14 into 14. So 3 1 is this 7 2 ja. Now we can calculate. So this will be equals to 11498 2 by 3 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of the water displaced by this spherical wall. Now coming to the second one, the diameter is given. So radius will be equals to diameter by 2. So this is 0.21 meters divided by 2. So this will be 0.0105 meters. So now the volume of water, so this will be equals to the 4 by 3 pi r cube, means 4 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.0105 into 0.0105 into 0.0105. So we need to multiply this. So on simplification, we got this as 0.004851 meter cube. So this is the volume of the water displaced by the spherical ball. Now coming to question number 3. The diameter of the metallic wall is itna. So we need to find out the radius of the wall. Radius will be equals to 4.2 by 2. So this will be 2.1 centimeters. What is the mass of the wall if the density of the metal is already given? So first of all, we will find out the volume of wall. So this is in the spherical shape. So this will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. This is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. So this is 0.3 Now this is 1, this is 0.1. So now we can calculate this volume. Volume will be 38 point. So this is now 38.808 centimeter cube. Now we need to find out the mass. So density is given to us. Density is equals to, this is 8.9 grams per centimeter cube. So mass of ball. So mass of ball is given as volume into density. So volume we already got, 38.808 into density is 8.9. So this will be equals to now 345.39 grams. So we got the weight. So this is equals to volume into density. So now coming to question number 4. This question is important from the exam point of view. The diameter of the moon is approximately the 1/4 the diameter of the earth. So let the dia of earth. So dia of earth is dE. So radius of earth. Radius of earth will be equals to diameter by 2. So this is now dE by 2. Similarly, the dia of moon. Diameter of moon, this is given as, now diameter of the moon, it is given that the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4. So this is now dE by 4. 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So I have written dE by 4. So now radius of moon, this will be equals to dE by 4 into 1 by 2. This will be half only. So this will be dE by 8. Now we need to find out the ratio of their volumes. So volume of moon divided by volume of earth. So this will be 4 by 3 pi r moon cube divided by 4 by 3 pi r earth cube. So radius of the moon cube and the radius of the earth cube, 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancelled. So we got volume of moon divided by volume of earth. So this will be now d cube. Now r radius of the moon. So radius of the moon is dE by 8. So this will be dE by 8 whole cube divided by this radius. So radius of the earth is dE by 2 whole cube. So now we can solve this. So volume of moon divided by volume of earth. So this will be equals to now dE by 3 divided by 8 into 8 into 8 into, this will be 2 into 2 into 2 divided by dE cube. So dE cube cancel. So 2 1 ja, this is 4 times, then this cancelled. So this is now 1 by 8. So this is equals to 1 by 8 into 8, 64. So the volume of moon ratio volume of earth. So this is equals to 1:64. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, अर्थ का डायमीटर को एज्यूम कर लिया. रेडियस विल बी द हाफ ऑफ द डायमीटर. मून का डायमीटर क्या है, 1/4 ऑफ द डायमीटर ऑफ द अर्थ. सो dE by 4. इसका रेडियस निकालेंगे, क्या होगा फर्दर 1/4. सो dE by 8. अभी हमने दोनों का रेशियो निकाला हुआ. सो दे आर इन द स्फेरिकल शेप. सो स्पेस के वॉल्यूम से रिलेट किया उनको और इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया. सो वी गॉट 1:64. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th. How many liters of the milk can a hemispherical ball of the diameter this centimeter can hold? So diameter is given to us. Diameter is 10.5 centimeters. So we can find out the radius. This is 10.5 divided by 2. So this is 5.25 centimeters. Now the volume of this is a hemispherical ball. So volume of hemispherical ball, this will be given as 2 by 3 pi r cube. Hemisphere का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? हाफ ऑफ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर. सो दिस विल बी 2 by 3. स्फीयर का वॉल्यूम क्या होता है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर दिस इज इक्वल टू 4 by 3 pi r cube. सो हेमिस्फीयर का क्या होगा? अभी वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर दिस विल बी 1 by 2 इंटू वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयर. सो 2 से 4 कैंसिल होगा, दिस इज 2. नाउ दिस इज 2 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of hemisphere is always half of this volume of spheres. That is what I have used. So now volume of hemisphere, this is now 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube. R is 5.25 into 5.25 into 5.25. So with this calculation we can find it out now. So the volume comes out to be, this is into the centimeter. So this will be now 0.303 centimeter cube. So this is 303 centimeter cube. This is the volume we are getting. On calculation we get this. Now volume in liters. So volume of milk in liters. So this will be equals to now 303 divided by 1000. So this will be 0.303 liters, because 1000 centimeter cube is equals to 1 liter. So now coming to question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. So hemispherical tank, this is a hemispherical tank. So this is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. So this is now the iron sheet. This thickness is already given to us. This is 1 centimeter thickness. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. So inner radius is given to us. Inner radius, this is equals to 1 meters. So inner radius is already given to us. This is 1 meter. So we need to find out the volume of the iron. So outer radius we can find out. Outer radius, this will be equals to 1 plus the thickness in meters, this will be 0.01. So this will be 1.01 meters. So this is the outer radius and this is inner radius. Now we can find out the volume of iron. This will be outer volume minus inner volume. So outer volume will be 4 by 3 pi r outer cube minus 4 upon 3 pi r inner cube. So now this is the hemisphere. So this will be actually 2 by 3 times. This is hemisphere given to us. So outer volume minus the inner volume will be the volume of this iron or this material now. So we can take up 2 by 3 pi as common. So this will be r naught cube minus ri cube. So this will be equals to now 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 r naught square. This is 1.01. So this will be 1.01 whole cube minus 1 cube. So we can simplify this now. So on simplification, this will be equals to 0.06348 meter cube. So this will be the volume of iron, volume of the iron. So now coming to question number 7th. Find the volume of the sphere with the surface area is given. So CSA of a sphere, this is equals to 4 pi r square. So CSA of the sphere 154, this is 4 into 22 by 7 into r square. So r square will be equals to 154 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. So this is 1 time, this is 7 times. So r square equals to 7 into 7 divided by, this is 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So r will be equals to 7 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. So square root करेंगे. So this will be r equals to 7 by 2 or 3.5. So we got radius as 3.5 centimeters. Now we can find out the volume. So volume of sphere will be equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is now 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. So now this can be simplified now. So this will be 179 whole 2 by 3 centimeter cube. So this is the volume. So now coming to question number 8. A dome of the building is in the form of the hemisphere. So dome is in the form of hemisphere now. So dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of this. So cost of whitewashing. So cost of whitewashing is given as 498.96 rupees. So if the cost of the whitewash was 2 rupees per square meters, find inside surface area. So we can find out the inside surface area or inner CSA. So this is equals to now cost divided by the rate. So cost is given 498.96 divided by 2. So this can be solved. So inner CSA. So on solution this gives 2, then 4, then this will be 9, then 2, 4, then 8. So this much meter square. So this comes out to be 249.48 meter square. Now we need to find out the volume. So first of all, to find out the volume, we need to find out the CSA, this radius. So for second part, CSA is equals to pi, this is 2 pi r square h, 2 pi r square. So CSA is 249.48 equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r square. So r square will be equals to now, this will be 249.48 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. So on simplification, we got r as 6.3 meters. So now we need to find out the volume of the inside dome. So volume of dome, this will be equals to the 2 by 3 pi r cube, because dome is the hemispherical shape. So this will be the volume of hemisphere. So volume of dome, this is equals to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r. R we have already calculated, this is 6.3. So this is 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. This is 9 times 3, this is 0.3. So on calculation we got volume of dome, this is equals to, now we can find out this volume. So this is 523.9 meter cube. So this is the volume of the dome. So now coming to question number 9th. Again this question number 9 is important for the examination point of view. 27 solid spheres, each of radius small r and the surface area small s, are melted to form a sphere with the surface area s dash. So 27 छोटे छोटे स्फेयर्स को, ये छोटे छोटे ऐसे ऐसे स्फेयर्स को क्या किया, अभी मेल्ट करके और एक बड़े स्फेयर को बनाया हुआ है. तो अभी नाउ द वॉल्यूम ऑफ ऑल दीज स्फेयर्स विल बी इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस बिगर स्फेयर्स. तो अभी हम इसी फंडामेंटल को लेकर के जाते हैं. वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्मॉल मीन्स वॉल्यूम ऑफ all small spheres will be equals to volume of big sphere. So now radius of small spheres. So radius of the small spheres, this is given as small r. So we can find out the volume of 27 small spheres. This will be equal to 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the volume of 27 spheres. Now so this volume is equal to the volume of the bigger one. So 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, this will be equals to now 4 by 3 pi, and the radius of the bigger sphere is r dash. This is now r dash. So for r dash cube, so this is now r dash cube. So 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi cancelled. So this is now 27 r cube will be equals to r dash cube. So we got r dash will be equals to now 27 r cube का cube root करेंगे. So r dash will be equals to now 3 times r. So r dash we got, this is 3 times r. So this first one is proved now. So coming to the second one, the ratio of s dash to s. So ratio of a smaller sphere divided by ratio of CSA of large sphere. So this is ratio of CSA. I'll write it as ratio of CSA of smaller sphere. So this will be equals to, now CSA is given as 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi, larger one is r dash square. So radius is already given, so 4 pi cancelled. So this is now CSA of small sphere divided by CSA of large sphere. So this is equals to now r divided by r dash. R dash is equals to the 3r. So we can write this is as 3r whole square. So this will be as r square divided by 9 times r square. So r square cancelled. So this is now 1 upon 9. So ratio of CSAs. So this is now CSA of a small sphere ratio CSA of large sphere. This is equals to 1:9. So now coming to question number 10th. A capsule of the medicine is in the form of a sphere of diameter. So we can find out radius of capsule. So this is d by 2. So diameter is already given. This is 3.5 divided by 2. So this will be 1.75 mm. How much medicine in mm cube is needed to fill the capsule? So we need to find out the volume of medicine. So this is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7. R cube is 1.75 into 1.75 into 1.75. So we can calculate this one time, and this will be 0.2 and 5. So on simplification, we got this is as 22.48 mm cube. So this is now volume of medicine. So we got the volume of medicine as 22.48 mm cube. So with this we have finished our chapter surface areas and volumes. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.